Alright guys, we're back. It's time to start cleaning parts and get this thing back together. Sorry about my voice. I'm having some serious bad allergies. So let's get to it. Get this thing cleaned up. Alright guys, I'm going to show you something. If you can't get your valves replaced and you want to clean these up, as long as they're in spec, you could do this. But we'll be replacing our valves. But I'm showing you a tip to clean if you're on a budget. A good way, if you're on a budget, to make your valves seat nicely, no carbon buildup, pretty much like new. As long as they're in specs and they're not stretched out, these are titanium, so we're in good shape. Alright, now it's time to put this back together. New valves, new springs, keepers. Let's get this done. Just honed it. Crisscross pattern. Clean. Alright, we have some parts that came in. Clutch, rings, wrist pins, you name it. This bike is fully assembled. He ran an off-road race with it, no problems. Bike is running like new. Got a new set of graphics coming in. That's it. We have this bike. Ran the same race and it will not go in neutral while running. So we're going to dig into that problem next. This bike was repaired at Ride Now. We bought that warranty. I do not advise buy that warranty ever, and do not have Ride Now work on your bikes. This bike did not have shifting problems or any kind of gear problems until they touched this bike. It's a shame because I'm tearing this bike apart. 35 hours. Not only they stripped the engine mount and put 450 engine bolts in. This is 250. Bolts missing all over the place. Cracked. I mean, these guys are awful. They do not know how to work on a bike. I bought the warranty to save time of building engines if there's a problem. So I sent it to them. Horrible job. Horrible. Ride Now in Boulder, do not recommend at all.